Hello everyone, my name is Irwin Thomas Wilson and today I'm going to talk about partnership. So, what is partnership? Partnership is very comprehensively defined in the Indian Partnership Act 1930. So, partnership is can be defined as the relation between or among persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, uh, explaining the definition, the most significant aspect of partnership, as per the above definition, is that partnership is a relationship among persons, and this relationship is that of being a partner with one another. Very much like relations subsisting among families of members of a family, that is relationship relation of brotherhood, sisterhood, parenthood, etc. So partnership relation is a relation of utmost good faith among persons. So who want to be partners with one another. So each partner must observe utmost good faith towards each other while engaging in business dealings. So this is the definition of partnership. So now let's see the features of partnership. So uh, for the existence of partnership, there are some features. So the first one is agreement. So partnership relation is the result of an agreement between or among two or more persons. The agreement may be oral or written. A written agreement of partnership is known as the partnership deed. So the before that, the basic feature of a partnership to come into existence along with agreement is that there must be at least two legal persons to enter into a partnership deed. Now, what is a partnership? What is a legal person? So, a legal person is a person who has certain obligations under law. So, they can be sued, they can sue, they can enter into a contract, they can own a property. So, they are called legal persons. So they are called legal persons because uh, not only a single individual but companies and corporations are also identified as legal persons. So now moving further, uh, there must be two or more persons. There must be at least two persons to form a partnership. The maximum number of persons in partnership is 10. In case of banking business, and uh, it is in case of banking business, it is 10 persons, and in case of other businesses, it can be up to 20 persons. So the third feature for a partnership is the business must be lawful business. A partnership can be formed for the purpose of carrying on any lawful business. There can be no partnership for engaging in illegal acts like theft, dacoity, smuggling, etc. So the next feature is sharing of profits. So a partnership can be formed for the purpose of carrying on any lawful business. So there can be uh, so while conducting this lawful business, there will be an agreement of partnership uh, must provide for sharing of profits of a business among the partners in the agreed ratio. The ratio will be decided in the partnership deed. So sharing of profits is an important test of partnership. So Uh, the next feature is mutual agency. So the phrase carried on by all or any of them acting for all contained in the definition of partnership as given in the Partnership Act points out to the element of mutual agency of partnership. That means uh, everyone can conduct the business, or anyone can represent the rest of the partners and conduct the business. So mutual agency implies that every partner is an agent of the firm for purposes of the business of the firm, and every partner is the principal to be bound by the acts of other partners who acts as agents of the business. And the next feature of uh, uh, partnership is unlimited liability. So the liability of partners is unlimited jointly and severally. That is, each partner is liable to pay debts of the firm to an unlimited extent along with other partners. And if the assets of other partners are insufficient to pay the business liabilities, then any one partner could be held liable to pay business debts to an unlimited extent in his individual capacity. So that is unlimited liability. Next is ownership and control jointly held. So normally every partner has a right to take part in the management of the business of the firm. That is, ownership and control are jointly held by all partners. It is mentioned in the partnership deed. So the next feature of partnership is non-transferability of share. No partner can transfer his or her share in the partnership to any other person without the prior consent of all other partners. And the last feature is registration, not compulsory. Registration of a partnership firm is not compulsory. However, an unregistered firm suffers from such serious disabilities, so that sooner or later every firm will like to get itself registered. So registration is not mandatory but is recommended. So now let's see what are the advantages of partnership. So the advantages of partnership are uh, ease of formation. Formation of partnership is an easy affair. So what is required is just an agreement of partnership among two or more persons. So which may ever be an oral agreement. No registration of partnership is required by law. So to form a partnership, it is very easy under the law. So next is large financial resources. So the partnership commands large financial resources, because as much as 20 persons are permitted to start partnership business. So further, the fact of unlimited liability of partners also increases the borrowing capacity of the firm. So there will be the next advantage is there will be a balanced decision making. So partnership not only pools resources, it also combines the abilities and wisdoms of a large number of persons. So there will be a more balanced decision making among uh, the partners. Next is divided risk. In partnership, the business risks are divided among all partners equally. So, as such, partners could afford to be bold in taking risky, profitable, and adventurous decisions. So, everyone in a partnership business, everyone can be held liable. So the next we will be talking about limitations of partnership. So, as we have said that the one of the main salient features of partnership is unlimited liability. So, the fact of unlimited liability is perhaps the serious most limitation of partnership. So, many good persons never have the idea of entering into a partnership with the other partnership agreement with others. So further partners always try to follow most traditional systems of managing, which ensures safest business dealings. So as such, partners rarely take bold decisions and restrict the growth of the firm through their conservative approach. So this is unlimited liability. And next is uh, the fear of unlimited liability will pull them back to make such uh, bold decisions. So then there is uh, uncertainty of existence. So life of partnership is most uncertain. Difference among partners, which are so natural nowadays, may lead to dissolution of a well-running partnership firm. So that is also one reason of partnership. So it if the partnership is smooth, it's not smooth. It may be dissolved in the future. So this is my small presentation on the topic of partnership. Guys, feel free to comment about it. Thank you.